Everyone, welcome back to Spectra Unbox, the place where we bring you the hottest sneaker unboxings and the best deals out there. Today, we've got a very special unboxing for you, the Air Jordan 12 Retro Blueberry. This sneaker takes an iconic design and gives it a fresh new twist that's both stylish and bold. Let's crack open this box and check them out. Oh wow, look at these beauties. The Jordan 12 Retro Blueberry is an absolute head-turner. Inspired by the original Cherry Jordan 12, this version swaps out that classic red for an eye-catching game royal blue, which pops against the clean white upper. The upper is made of smooth white leather, giving it that crisp and premium look. And check out these textured overlays, they add so much depth to the design. Those silver metal eyelets, pure class. The craftsmanship on these is next level. Moving on to the details, you've got subtle black accents on the tongue, inner lining and heel tab, creating a sleek contrast. But what really gives this shoe its name, Blueberry, is that bold blue mudguard and branding elements. That combination makes this sneaker a must-have for collectors and sneakerheads alike. And of course, you can't forget about the iconic Jordan 12 sole design. This sneaker is not just about looks, it's built for comfort and performance, whether you're rocking them casually or on the court. Now, if you're wondering where you can get your hands on these beauties at an insane price, I've got you covered. Let's talk about today's sponsor, thestore.cc. I've dropped the link in the description below along with their social media accounts, contact details, and any other important links. Make sure to follow them for updates on the latest drops and discounts. So what do you think about the Jordan 12 Retro Blueberry? Would you rock these? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome sneaker content.